So Shib wants to break out really, really bad. It keeps fighting this top trend time and time again. It's bounced off it now basically 4 days in a row. And it really feels like sometime soon we're going to get this breach, this extension confirmation. And in fact, right now there are some suggestions that Shiba Inu has in fact bottomed out, which means that there is really only one way to go, and that is up. And I want to talk about a few things with you guys as we get through here the weekend and into next week. So if you guys are new or haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. Hit that bell again; it's free to do. It'll keep you updated anytime there's new content live here on the channel. So what I'm talking about, fighting this top trend, is you guys can see we've had a very distinct rejection level for Shiba Inu right along this path of correction that we've been on in the crypto market, right? Obviously, we've dealt with flash crashes and things that have pushed Shiba Inu down, but it's done a very good job of planting its foot in the ground and trying to show some resilience time and time again. Obviously, we got a rejection all the way back here on December 9th and no, 8th and 9th, right? We did it once again here on the 16th, 17th, 18th, kind of hanging right around the edge of this trend. And then now again, over the last few days, including today's daily candle, we're pushing on this very, very hard. Now, again, there are some suggestions out there that Shiba Inu has in fact bottomed out. You guys can see that strong floor, that strong foundation is being built right above this 4021 level. All right. Now, this article does suggest this as well. As you guys know, I'm not a big read an article in a video type channel, not anymore, at least. That's how we started. But what it's saying is that if we drop below this, this could basically turn this into a little bit more of a bearish setup. We could see some downside. However, if this continues to hold, Shiba Inu actually might be prepping for a 50% pump back up to 4035, which wouldn't surprise me at all. You guys can see right here, that's about, again, a 50% move back to the upside to test some of our local highs. And we're kind of setting up this bounce point, kind of in no man's land, but not in no man's land. I would loved it more up in this last chance box, but you guys can see that this was actually crucial support all the way back here in April of earlier this year. All right. So we're showing some very similar signs to then. And in fact, again, some of that on-chain metrics that we've been talking about time and time again is showing very similar metrics actually to what we experienced back here in basically January, February of 2024 as well. All right. So this trend that we're trying to break right now may actually culminate into us actually breaching and holding support above this 100-day moving average, which would be a very positive sign as well. When we look at what's taking place on the RSI right now as well, you guys can see we're trying to flip over the signal line too, which could give us a nice little bullish momentum push, a little bit of pop in price in terms of Shiba Inu. And frankly, once again, if we do breach this 4024 and get into this last chance box, it's a very quick ride all the way up to 4026. Now, this isn't a guarantee or financial advice or anything like that. But what I do want to point out is that while we're waiting for Shiba Inu to make this break, we've seen a very distinct trend. And I know I talk about this very often, and I think it's very important because what we're seeing right now is the last time, again, that Shiba Inu was at these levels, there was trillions more Shiba Inu available in the crypto market. All right. Last time Shiba Inu was at actually this local high all the way up at basically 4033, there was about 5 trillion more Shiba Inu available on exchanges. And during this time, while we've been dealing with this correction and this redistribution from the hands of the impatient to the hands of the patient, we have seen this exchange supply just drop and drop and drop and drop. So the thing is next time we get a boom, there is even less available SHIB out in the market, meaning that price can move even faster to the upside. And this is where, again, I keep talking about this supply shock and this big boom and this next extension for Shiba Inu. And the only thing I'm worried about right now is that this boom might be so massive that we have a significant correction that comes along with it. Okay. So each one of these steps has gotten bigger and bigger and bigger. I mean, frankly, we may do one of these where we have kind of a breakout actually all the way up to 406, kind of level off, and then something like that, right? Now, again, this isn't a guarantee or financial advice or anything like that. And know that if there decides to be this big retail inflow, which is going to hit the market at some point kind of unpredictably, which I have another SHIB video coming later today talking about that. If this does happen, prices may surprise a lot of people. We may get another, again, March level event where Shiba Inu does multiple X's and surprises a lot of people. Everything is set up right now perfectly for it. I know some people are impatient and they're getting tired of waiting. And guess what? That's what most of the crypto market is. Most of the crypto market is not, it's not always up only. It's kind of blah. It's retracement, it's sideways trading, it's boringness. It'll test your resilience. And this is again why most people don't make it in crypto, because they can't see things out, right? They want to get rich in an instant, and it doesn't always work like that. You have to remember, Shiba Inu has become a blue chip asset. We're talking more about growing on fundamentals rather than everybody trying to ape into and FOMO and chase a coin that's a new launch. All right. So we have very exciting things happening, and I think you guys are really going to like the Shiba Inu video I have coming later today, because there's some very eye-opening stuff coming as well. But I appreciate you guys as always. Again, if you guys have not checked out BTCC, make sure to do so. If you guys do want to trade Shib or other assets on leverage, that's available for you guys to use. You can earn up to $10,000 in deposit trading bonuses. There's no KYC. I do have a Shib long position open actually right now. Let me just show you guys. That's down about 6% currently. I opened that up, I think right here on the 24th. Yeah, on the 24th. So that's down 6%. My 801 down 3%. I'm just kind of, again, waiting for the big boom, just like you guys are. But feel free to check that out. Have a great day. Show your love below. Appreciate you guys. Love to hear your thoughts. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care.